Namaskar. Now in our second video we will discuss about the types of returns to factor. Returns to factor. Returns to factor is of three types. The first one is increasing returns to factor. The second is constant returns to factor, and the third is diminishing returns to factor. And in this video we will discuss the first one, increasing returns to factor. What is the increasing returns to a factor? And we will explain it, define it with the help of a schedule. First one, returns to factor is in short run. इसको हम ये कहेंगे कि शॉर्ट रन में जो होता है दैट इज रिटर्न्स टू फैक्टर. Table showing increase returns to factor. Fixed factor 1, 1, 1 and 1. This is a variable factor. For example, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is TP, total production, and this is MP, marginal production. For example, this is a fixed factor. We are using two factors, one fixed and second is variable. By using variable factor, we will increase the production or output. And when total production increase at increasing rate, or we can define when MP is increasing, then this is called increasing returns to factor. I will tell you how you will make definition with the help of a table. For example, total production 4, then MP will be 4, TP 10, yani we have added one more unit of variable factor with fixed factor. There is total production is 10. It means the first one is 4, the new one is 10, then the difference between these two is 6, that is marginal production. We have already discussed it. Now one another unit of variable factor is used with the constant factor. Then there is change in TP 10 to 18. How much change? 8 units is changed. Total production is changed from 10 to 18. Then 10 minus 10 is 8. 8 units is changed. In the same way, when the fourth unit will used with constant factor, the total production will be 28, and the first one is, or the previous one is 18 and new one is 28. The difference between the 28 and 18 will be 10. You can see that marginal production is increasing and the total production is also increasing at increasing rate. When MP is increasing, then total production is also increasing, but also at increasing rate. Now from this table you can make definition of increasing return to factor. Increasing returns to factor is that situation in which more variable factor are used with the fixed factor. Total production is increasing at increasing rate, or when MP is increasing, then that is increasing returns to factor. यानी कि जब हम वेरिएबल फैक्टर्स को यूज़ करते हैं फिक्स्ड फैक्टर्स के साथ, तो जब कुल उत्पादन में बढ़ती दर से वृद्धि होती है अथवा जब मार्जिनल प्रोडक्शन बढ़ जाए, such situation is called increasing returns to factor. I again define it. Increasing returns to factor is that situation when variable factor is used with the fixed factor, total production tends to increase at increasing rate, or when MP is increasing is called increasing returns to factor. Now we will define it with the help of diagram. This line has divided this OX OY into two equal parts, and when we take TP in such a way, it means when we take TP in such a way, it means that TP is increasing at increasing rate. TP is increasing at the increasing rate. Here we will take TP, where will we take variable factors. In the same way, we will show the marginal production when we are discussing about increasing returns to factor. The marginal production will be positive slope. The curve of marginal production will be positive slope, because as well as variable factor will be increased, marginal products will be increased. Here we can see that when OL used, MP is OP. When L1 is used, when more variable factor is used, there is increase in marginal production. In the same way, when we are using OL, production is OP. When we use more variable factors, there is increase in total production and it will become OP to OP1. But here see, we uses less variable factor and here there is more increase in the production. So This is the increase returns to factor. Now we will discuss why the returns to factor, why increasing returns to factor. What are the causes of returns, increasing returns to factor? The first one is now we will discuss about causes, reason. The first one is variable factor. In initial stage, the variable factor is under utilization. Variable factor is not fully utilized. So when we use variable factor with constant factor, there is an increase in total production at increasing rate. Second is constant factor. When we use the variable factor with the constant factor, the efficiency of constant factor, the efficiency of fixed factor or constant factor, we can constant factor or fixed factor. These two names are synonyms of constant factors. So when we use variable factor with the constant factor, the efficiency of fixed factor is increased. So in the beginning, there is increase in total production at increasing rate, or marginal production is increased. The third one is better adjustment. When we use, here we take constant factor, variable factor, 1 with 2, 1 with 3. When we uses variable factor with constant factor, there is a better adjustment of these ratio. This is the best ratio. So in the beginning, when we use variable factor with the constant factor, the efficiency of constant factor as well as efficiency of variable factor increase, and in the beginning we found that total production as well as marginal production both increased, and such situation is called increasing of returns to factor. Thanks.